I purchased the single-serve coffee machine by Vimakun, and look how beautiful it is. It's in black and stainless steel, and it's very versatile because you can either use regular coffee in this filter they've provided or some K-cup pods. How perfect is that? They really thought of everything. And this is also so simple to use. All you have to do is pop this open, just like that. And depending on what you're going to be using for your coffee, you're going to be putting this inside it. And then you're going to put your K-cup pod, just like that. When you close it up, it's going to pierce it. And then you also put in your water, and it's so simple to use, and it will hold from 8 to 14 ounces of water. Let me put that inside. And now we're going to close it up. And with a touch of one button, we're going to have a delicious cup of coffee. It's as simple as that. And this is also so quick and easy to use. I love the smell of fresh brewing coffee. It's almost done. And the coffee is finished. Look at that. Looks so good. And let me take a taste. Now, I really love how quick and convenient this is because sometimes you don't want to brew a whole pot of coffee. Sometimes you just want one. Am I right? Now, I want to show you how easy it is to do it with this coffee filter as well. So what we're going to do is open this up and be careful because it is going to be hot and steamy. And now I'm going to throw this away and show you how to make another cup of coffee with this brew filter. And this is what the brew basket looks like. And this is what you're going to put inside. And you're either going to put in your filter or your K-cup pod. And this is what the filter looks like. And now let me show you how easy it is to fill up this filter. So what we're going to do is put the coffee inside here. And I like to put it over my coffee container. So if there is any excess, it just falls out. And then you're going to close it. Did you hear that snap? Then you're going to put it inside here and it sits perfectly inside it. And then we're going to put our water. Now that we put the water in the reservoir, we're going to put our coffee cup here, close this up, wait till it snaps, and then with a push of a button, we're going to have our delicious cup of coffee. And did you see how quickly it started working? Love it. It's almost done. And it's finished. And did you see how the blue light turned off? It automatically shuts off. Great safety feature if you ask me. And now our coffee is ready. Look at that cup of coffee. Beautiful. And another nice feature about this is it just makes it so hot and so fast too. Definitely recommend it. This is the Adder Chef single serve coffee machine. And look how nice this is. This will brew 8, 10, or 14 ounce coffees. It also includes this travel mug too. And you can even use it to brew your coffee when you're on the go, or you can also use a regular cup as well. And this is such a nice color. This is in red. However, they have other colors to choose from as well. And very easy to use. And what this does is it uses your regular ground coffee. So you don't have to purchase those pods. You can just use this and it comes with the brew basket. Simple as that. And let me show you how nice this is. And this is what the water reservoir looks like. It can hold 8, 10, or 14 ounces of water. And now we're going to pour the water inside the water reservoir. And then we're going to place our cup underneath and close this up. And once you click it into place, it's ready to go. As you can see, it's a one-touch button. And all you do is push it and it will auto shut off. So as you can see, the blue light is on, and that means it's in the on position. And it's so nice that it auto shuts off, which saves energy too. And now we are gonna have our cup of coffee brewed in less than 5 minutes. And I just love this compact design, perfect for smaller kitchens or if you're traveling too. This measures approximately 10.4 inches by 7.4 inches by about 5.5 inches across. And I just love the smell of fresh brewed coffee. It just smells so good. And as you can see, the steam is coming up and it really makes a hot cup of coffee. Just love that. It's almost done. The light just turned off and I heard it click off. So that means it automatically turned off, which is really good. Here's a close-up of the coffee and really brewed it fast and very hot too. Can you see the steam coming off of it? This coffee maker is so nice. I just love this bright red color. And it's so nice that they also include this travel mug. Let me show you a close-up of what the travel mug looks like. It is stainless steel, also has this ridge right here. And to open it up, it's very easy to open up and also has silicone on the side. And this lid, you just push this back and then you're able to drink from that spout and you can close it up too. Very simple and easy to use. And it also fits underneath here. So if you want to brew your coffee in here, you definitely can. Or use your own cup. It's up to you. I just really love this coffee maker by Adder Chef. It really comes in handy. And I just love the color too. Thank you so much for watching and hope you found this video helpful.